Unboxing your PerfectSmile aligners. Let's open it up and discover what comes inside the box. First, you'll find the envelope with all the important information for the doctor to read. It contains all the pertinent case information, as well as some handy tips. We also have engager builder trays, or composite attachment templates, one set of Chewy's aligner seaters, one Audi tool, the aligner storage case, and your aligners. Upper aligners are on the left, and the lower aligners on the right. We include in each kit an invitation to register your practice on the PerfectSmile Dentist Finder. It's a map of all the PerfectSmile providers. We will drive PerfectSmile patients to you in one simple step. Simply scan the QR code at the bottom of the card and register your practice. The patient search for a local provider and calls or emails your practice. We have a sheet of tips for doctors. We include the tooth movement report and the PerfectSmile treatment preview form containing all the pertinent information regarding the treatment. On this sheet, you will find which tier product has been planned, how many aligners per arch, if and where the composite engagers are planned, if there's IPR, how often the patient will be changing their aligners, and any other important notes regarding the case. The engager builder trays, or composite attachment templates, have been sectioned into 3 separate parts. We feel this may be more convenient for placing and curing the composite attachments. And finally, we have the aligners, with the upper aligners being on the left and the lower aligners stored on the right, in descending order from 0 at the top to 6 at the bottom. Each aligner comes delivered on the model with the patient's name and the aligner number printed on the model and the aligner number embossed on the last molar. If composite attachments have been planned for the case, you will always receive an aligner 0 with no tooth movement planned, but with the voids for the composite attachments in place. We find this very helpful to check the fit of your composite attachments once they've been light cured and the flash has been removed. An ideal procedure would be to try in the aligner 0 to make sure it fits and is very well adapted to the teeth. Then remove the aligner 0 and set it aside while you are placing the composite attachments and light curing them. Once you have removed any excess flash, try in the aligner 0 one more time to make sure your composite attachments have been properly placed. If it still fits well and there are no gaps, you can be guaranteed that the rest of the aligners will fit snugly and they'll do their job. Also included in the kit are one set of Chewy's aligner tray seaters. You can instruct your patient to seat their aligner and then simply bite down on the Chewy's to help ensure that the aligner is fully seated. One Audi tool is included with the kit, and this can be very useful for removing aligners that may fit a little bit snugly. We also provide a PerfectSmile aligner case. We hope that this short video may help you help your patient begin their PerfectSmile journey.